Welcome to South Fort Chevrolet. We're located at 10109 89th Ave in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta, just outside of Edmonton, Alberta. We are looking at 2018 Chevrolet Colorado 4-wheel drive Z71 Crew Cab Centennial Edition, which gives you the Centennial blue metallic exterior. You've got the heritage bow ties, body color rear bumper and grille surround. You've got the 100-year badge. You got running boards. Again, the heritage badge in the back, body colored bumper, box step, and you've also got the Centennial Edition the heritage badge box liner. It's got aluminum wheels, fog lights. Back seat, you've got power windows, jet black leather seating, cup holder folds down in the center. Got your USB hookups there. And a latch there to fold the seats up. Got power locks, windows, and mirrors on the door. 4-wheel drive selector, trailer brake, and headlights there. Got the heritage floor liners as well, and power seat. On the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, voice activation, hands-free, your OnStar on the mirror, your navigation and your infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, climate controls, heated seats. Thank you for watching this video of the 2018 Chevrolet Colorado 4-wheel drive Z71 Crew Cab Centennial Edition. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video on YouTube. If you'd like more info, give us a call or check our website.